right, good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Griffin Hardy here with your forecast on this Thursday morning. Absolutely spectacular sunrise that we had earlier this morning in the Hub City camera. Beautiful view to start off the day on what is another very cold morning. We've had what is now, I believe, 4 mornings in a row with below freezing temperatures, or at least near freezing temperatures. Upper 20s to low 30s out there right now for a lot of us. 27 to 28, your temperature up by 49 towards Ville Platte and Opelousas. 30 in Lafayette right now. Just a smidge above freezing in Intercoastal City at 36 degrees, but all of us certainly cold, even for this time of year. Plenty cold out there across Acadiana. Calm winds, so the temperature is what it feels like outside right now. No wind chill factor right now, and thankfully we're dry and we'll stay dry for the rest of the day ahead. I'm watching this area of low pressure that's coming in our direction, actually, tracking down towards the southeast. However, even though this will become a pretty notable nor'easter and produce quite a lot of heavy snow this weekend towards the Carolinas and up the northeastern seaboard, it's not developing fast enough for us to see any big changes with it. All we're going to see with it is a change in wind direction back to the northwest starting tomorrow, which means just colder temperatures for the weekend. For today, we get up to the low 60s. That's not too bad, close to average for this time of year. In fact, just a smidge below average. And this is actually going to be the warmest day that we'll see, at least until Monday, as temperatures turn a little colder again starting tomorrow. So let's map it out. Here's your futurecast. Rest of the day today will be up to around the lower to mid 50s at lunchtime with a few clouds overhead, but mostly sunshine ahead for the day, and upper 50s to lower 60s for your daytime highs. Again, this will be the warmest day of the week thus far, and likely the warmest day for the rest of the week. Temperatures back down to the mid and upper 40s by around 9 o'clock tonight. There's the change in wind direction coming in with this area of low pressure. We'll see temperatures that will be a little bit warmer to start off tomorrow morning, lower to mid 40s to start off the day, but only topping out in the lower to mid 50s and staying mostly cloudy for Friday. Kind of unsettled as that storm system passes by and starts to mature into a pretty powerful nor'easter, but again, no impacts for us with that other than just colder temperatures for the weekend. We're back down to near freezing again by Saturday morning. So the high temperatures next 5 days look like this. We hit our peak in the short term today with a high of 61. We cool down to 54 with cloudy skies for tomorrow. Then we're way down for the weekend. It's going to be a cold weekend for sure with a high of 39 Saturday and 46 on Sunday. But before you know it, we're back up to the 60s again at the start of next week. No rain expected with the storm system for us. It's going to be dry for all of the next 5 days, including for today with plenty of sunshine. Here's a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. Plenty of sun for the rest of the day as we top out around the upper 50s to lower 60s. Many spots briefly touching 60, including Lafayette, your high 61 for today. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Next notable chance of rain likely doesn't arrive until Wednesday of next week. Up until then, we're going to be just dry and a little cold for the weekend.